What's up, y'all? It's your girl Candidly Chris, and welcome back to my channel. Now, if you guys aren't already, go ahead and subscribe to my page below. So today we're going to be doing a wig install from Luvme Hair. Now, I've tried their wigs before. It's been a while, but I'm super excited to try this wig. Now, this is one of their PreMax wigs. Water Wave Flexi-Fit Drawstring 360 cap wig. Oh, try to say that 12 times fast with your eyes closed. This wig is already pre-bleached, pre-plucked, pre-cut. It's a 360 wig. It is a curly wig, and it also has a drawstring. I've never had a drawstring wig before, so I'm super excited to see this and to show you guys what that is. So I'm going to go ahead and take it straight out of the pack. And they got it put all nice for me. I love this curly wig, by the way. As you can see, it is pre-bleached. It's pre-plucked. It's basically ready to go, pre-cut, as you can see there. And let's get into this texture, y'all. This water wave is super amazing. Like, that is gorgeous. I can't wait to get this all together. Like I said, it is a 360 wig. So that the lace goes all the way around at the perimeter of the head. There's also some combs attached here, which is great. There is the lace all the way around. This is the back. And here we go. That's the front, of course. Here are the drawstrings. I can't wait to oh my God, like, y'all gotta see this. I'm gonna show you here, and then I'm gonna show you when I have it on. I think this drawstring is gonna be great, mainly because when I buy wigs, a lot of the time, I have a hard time the wig fitting securely, especially at the back sometimes. So I think this is gonna be great in ensuring that my wig is not just on up here, but all the way around. So you just pull. So I'm gonna pull one side just so that you can see. Y'all see that? Y'all, I am super hyped. Before we put it on, we're just gonna do some minor things here. I do want to tint this lace just to ensure that it is my skin complexion. I'm gonna be using a tinted mousse, and I'll link that in the description below. Okay, so as you can see, it is a huge difference. That is definitely my skin tone. So definitely get you some skin tint. So huge difference. And I also did the back as well. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get this on, get it together. I went ahead, I already had my hair in braids, but I just used some gel just to push my hair back. These braids are old, but don't come for me, baby. It is what it is. So I am going to use the wig cap that came in this box. Now that we got this on, we're going to go ahead and put this wig on just to see what it's looking like, how it's fitting, and then we'll just go from there. So this is what it's looking like as soon as I put it on. I like it. I'm excited to style it. I'm going to go ahead and put some wig grip spray on the lace just to keep it down. And listen, look at this first of all. Before I even get started, look at this. Like, do y'all see that? I haven't done anything to this wig yet other than the tint. Hadn't done anything to it. So just the fact that just right in this moment, like how it don't even look that bad. Well, it just needs a little shaping. we're gonna go ahead and try to do some maintenance with these curls. We want these curls to be, voluminous and, just out there. I love a curly wig that has some volume. So we're gonna give it that volume. I'm gonna use this leave-in conditioning spray. This hair feels amazing, and this spray is just a bonus. It really enhances the soft feel. The other thing I didn't mention is that this hair has no smell. It smells like nothing. It don't even smell like, when you buy a wig and it just kind of smells like a wig. No, this hair smells like nothing. Look at it, like side by side. Like, look at that. Look how it really brought those curls out and up. Like, amazing. So this is the other side. After I've gone ahead and put the conditioner on both sides, like, this is cute. This is so cute. I see myself going on a hot date night with this wig. This is so cute. I'm gonna go out right now. Like, I ain't gonna lie. I might, put some shoes on and go to the supermarket right quick. Something. Like, this is cute. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. I am just gonna put some makeup here. But it looks so good. Like, I love this so much. So I went ahead and took my cap off. I love this so much. It looks so good. I love that this is a 360 wig because you can do a lot of stuff with it. You can put it in a high bun. You can do some little space buns, like half up, half down. We're going to do some of these styles. I'm talking fast now because I'm hyped. I'm a little hyped. Show you guys the back. I want to thank you guys so much for tuning into this video today. Thank you guys for subscribing. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow me on all of my social media. It's been real, guys. Until next time, bye.